That time has come. Let's see what we got. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Wow.
Oh, look at her just dripping with juices. All right, folks, today we're going to be cooking that chicken on this MASTERBUILT electric grill. And what I want to tell you folks is a few things that some people might not know. It's not a real big issue, but it'll save you some time in the long run. What you want to do is turn this up to the highest it can go. The highest this one will go is 275. I want to cook at like a 250 temperature. But what happens is you get it up to that 250 temperature, you open your door up, you done drop about a good 10, 20, sometimes 30 degrees just loading your food up, and the grill has to catch back up. So that's why I say turn it up as high as you can first, load your food up, then set the cooking temp, what you want to cook it. I'm going to be using apple wood today, cooking at 250, and I'm getting ready to turn this up to 275. And once you got your food in and your temp set, then go ahead and load up your chips. And you want to keep them reloaded every about 30 minutes or so, depending on the temperature you cook at. For me, 250, I'll reload every 30 minutes.
All right, I used the marinade. I used lemon pepper. I let my chicken marinate for 24 hours. I'm going to be sticking a half an onion in each one. I already got it cut up here. And some rub that I made. And if you want to use this rub, the ingredients will be listed in the description. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generously coat both sides of the chicken, starting with the back side, because once we flip them over, that's where they're going to sit, and you don't want none of your seasoning coming off of the front of the chicken. After you finish coating, go ahead and slap your onion inside, and we're going to let these set in the refrigerator for about an hour while we get that smoker ready.
That's that 275. And I'm just going to go ahead and put any timer on here because it's going to start counting the timer down anyway. Even if it's not up to cooking yet, it's going to do it anyway. So the timer is going to reset either way it goes. So we're just going to go ahead and put that for 3 hours right now. But just remember to reset it again. All right, folks, our temperature is up there. Let's go ahead and get our food in there and get that sucker adjusted to the cooking temperature we want. First time around, I like to do 2 sets, 2 loads. All right, folks, we rolling. See you back here in about 3 hours. All right, y'all. That time has come. Let's see what we got in here, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, you looking for a good 64 in there? Yep, we're at 66. All right, we're good and done. Let's take them babies out of there. Let's take them out. Oh, look at her just dripping with juices. Ugh. Woo! Good number 2 down here. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes, y'all. Woo, playing hot.
Now, folks, I would cut these open for you so you can see how juicy it is inside, but you can say they juicy. But that'll take the fun out of them. Me and my wife like to eat these things whole right off the body.